Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I bought another knife. I do that often, actually. I've already been into this. This is mine, purchased it. I'm gonna share this with you guys. It's obviously a Lionsteel. Thanks so much for supporting me on Patreon. Those of you who are supporting me on Patreon, there is a link for my Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. So this is not a knife purchase that not a type of knife purchase that I normally make. This is actually a slip joint. This is a DLT Trading exclusive. I'm going to link this right down below. There's actually a bunch of different choices. I urge you to go and check out the different versions of this that are available right now. This is like a wildly underrated exclusive. Usually when you hear the term dealer exclusive, you think, oh, so you mean a knife that's not there anymore. These are still there. They've been there for a while, and I didn't realize how much I like these until I got my hands on one and reviewed it. I don't know if you guys have actually seen the review yet. If you haven't, it's coming soon. This is the Sheepsfoot version of the Lionsteel Bestman that is only available at DLT Trading. It does not have the bolsters, but it does have the, as far as I know, the titanium liners. Yeah, those are titanium. People always tell me, your magnet trick it's not foolproof because there are certain types of steel that are non-magnetic. And yeah, I know that, but that's not what they're using on knives. It works when you're a knife content creator, right? It's a trustworthy thing to do because when they use steel, they use magnetic steel. And then they have titanium and aluminum, which are not magnetic. Right? Or at least as far as I know, the types that they're using on knives are not magnetic. So that's how we determine that. And it's worked over the course of 2,000 videos in the case of this channel. So I'll probably keep doing it. But anyways, this particular version is the titanium liners, right? And then we have silver twill carbon fiber, which is really cool. I actually don't own anything in silver twill. So that's nice. And then we have a satin finished M390 Sheepsfoot blade. This is the type of blade that I really, really enjoy for general EDC because of the curvature at the nose, right? The other thing that I like is that this is a slip joint that has a wonderful half stop or mid stop and an awesome snap down into the closed position, which is something that really bothers me on other newer modern slip joint knives. They just don't seem to get that right. Even Rick Hinderer with the Slippy, a lot of people are like, why don't you own a Slippy? Because I don't like how he does that. And it's one of the only Hinderer knives that I don't like. But these are excellent. No, of course they don't lock, so you do have to be careful of that. But this is a good size for slip joints, right? I do, like to carry a backup Victorinox Cadet that's a slip joint just because, it's nice to have something that people who are not knife people are a little more familiar with, something that does not come off as aggressive as, I don't know, the Spyderco Shaman or whatever it is that I'm carrying that day, right? So it's nice. Or it also makes a good travel knife, considering that these types of knives are much more legal as you cross state borders. Or maybe, even if you live in another country, this might be a much more legal style of knife. This is these are made in Italy, by the way, so we have titanium, carbon fiber, and M390. This particular version came in at about $110, I think. You can get a micarta version that's between $90 and $100. This is just an unbelievably good deal. You guys will get the full review on this and the other Lionsteel Bestman style knives. If you don't like this Sheepsfoot style, there is, of course, a regular version of it, which I will also link. Those are available at DLT Trading. They also have a two-bladed version of this. These are wonderful. This is a wonderful modern slip joint with modern materials. And I'm just really, really happy with it. It just came absolutely perfect. No blade play or anything like that. It's just really, really good. I love that I have the option to adjust the pivot or disassemble this, right, if I need to. So, yeah, I'm just really happy with it. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Recent acquisition, something I thought you guys might be interested in taking a look at. But that's going to be pretty much it today for the short little unboxing. Like I said, Be sure to check these out on DLT Trading. I'll link it right down below. They've got 4 different versions of the exclusive and then a whole bunch of different versions of the standard single blade and 2-blade version. So if you like slip joint knives, but you like modern materials and you want to make sure everything is put together the way that it is supposed to, I think this is one of your best bets right now. So I urge you to check that out. And the pricing on them is very fair. I was very, very happy with that. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.